In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring investment on Charles Schwab. Before we dive in, there's one key thing to know so you don't get stuck later. Schwab's recurring or automatic investing works only with mutual funds. It does not support automatic purchases for individual stocks or ETFs. If you want full hands-off automation, use a mutual fund. If your goal is stocks or ETFs, you can still automate deposits into your account, but you'll place the buy orders manually each time. Now let's walk through setting up automatic investing. First, log into your Schwab account. From the main menu, go to Trade and choose Automatic Investing. This is where you'll create the schedule that tells Schwab what to buy, how much, and when. Next, select the specific account you want to use. If you have more than one brokerage or retirement account, make sure you pick the right one so the schedule applies where you expect it. From there, find a mutual fund you already own that's eligible for automatic investing. This is important. You must hold the fund first, and not every mutual fund is eligible. If a fund qualifies, you'll see the option to enroll. Click Enroll to start the setup. You'll enter 3 key details. First, the amount you want invested each time, such as $100. Schwab's typical minimum per transaction is around that level, so plan your budget accordingly. Second, choose the frequency. You can set it to run weekly, monthly, or on another available schedule that fits your routine. Third, pick the investment date. Many people choose a date that lines up with their payday or when they expect cash to be available. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Confirm the account, fund, amount, frequency, and date. When it all looks right, click Submit. Once it's set, Schwab will automatically buy that mutual fund on your schedule without any further action from you. A few final requirements and tips to keep things running smoothly. You have to already own the fund before enrolling. Not all funds are eligible, so if you don't see the option, that fund may not support automatic investing. The minimum per purchase is typically around $100, and you must have enough settled cash in your account on the investment date. If there isn't cash available, the purchase won't go through. Consider keeping a small cash buffer so your schedule isn't interrupted, and check your confirmations after the first run to make sure everything executed as planned. That's it. With this setup, your investing stays consistent and on autopilot, letting you focus on the long term.